Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And right now I am going to show you how to back up WhatsApp to Google Drive on iPhone. So hey guys, can you back up WhatsApp to Google Drive on iPhone? So let's clear things up. So iPhones can't back up WhatsApp to Google Drive directly. So it is only to iCloud. And then the Google Drive is for Android only. So if you really want to use Google Drive, you'll need to move your WhatsApp chats to an Android phone first. And then once on Android, you can back up to Google Drive under chat backup settings. And then here, the iPhone is equal to iCloud and Android to Google Drive. So that's it, guys. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you will like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you on my next video and thank you for watching.